Podcast iGEM Team Bielefeld Sebitech 2019. What is synthetic biology? Episode 3.
We as the iGEM Team Bielefeld Sebitech 2019 focus on fighting fungi. You might ask, why would you want to fight them? There are many reasons to do so. While of course there are plenty of fungi that are good and important parts of ecosystems and we don't want to fight those, fungi have another side to them as well. Many fungi are harmful towards humans, animals or plants. While most fungal infections for humans are weak and only have a major impact on people with immune deficiencies, plants and animals aren't that lucky. Bats and amphibia, for example, are constantly damaged by fungal infections, especially those that are already close to dying off. But what's worse for humans are fungal infections of plants. In the human history, many famines were caused by fungi or fungi-like organisms. One of the largest was the Irish potato famine, which started in 1845 and lasted for 4 years. During this time, a fungus-like organism, the potato blight, destroyed almost all potato plants that were grown in Ireland, a country that heavily relies on the yellowish bulb. It resulted in more than 1 million deaths, and at least another million emigrated from Ireland. But that was a long time ago. There's no need to worry about stuff like that anymore. Or is there? We got fungicides and better bred crops. No need to worry, right?
As you might remember, Cas systems are basically gene scissors. And the specific Cas system that we introduce into fungi does not just cut certain genes, but it cuts everything it can reach. Well, but only after it gets activated. And this activation is very specific. It can distinguish single base mutations. So if one letter in the genetic code is different from what the gene scissors expect, they just don't cut anything. So it's either they detect a bad fungus and eat it up from the inside, or they are harmless. We also chose other means to make sure that our system is really specific and only targets certain cells.
This is one advantage that we also hope to achieve towards fungicides. They are unspecific. They don't only damage the crop infesting fungi, but also those that can support the growth of plants or are important parts of our ecosystems. Some fungicides are even less specific than that, and can have toxic effects on insects, small mammals or birds. However, using those fungicides is often still better than not using them. Why? Fungi don't just eat our food before we can. Sometimes they even contaminate it with toxins that can be dangerous for humans too. So, we have plenty of reasons to get rid of these harmful fungi. The question we have to ask ourselves though is how? The options we have are traditional and more modern fungicides, slowly breeding the plants for them to develop resistances, genetically engineering them with the same aim, or using fungicides based on novel techniques like ours. And if we can believe the predictions that models for fungal populations and the development of resistances against the fungicides give, we might have to use a combination of all of these to combat the challenges we will be facing in the future.